Hello again, everyone. This is Mike Davis. Let's talk about the different ways we have access to health insurance. So if we know that we're employed through corporate America, through a big employer, through somebody who has enough buying power or employee base to go negotiate plans with the insurance company, there's a good chance that we have good plans at good pricing. What do we do if we don't have access to that? What do we do if we're self-employed, small business owners, entrepreneurs, contractors? Those types of positions don't come with corporate benefits. And even working for any small business in America, sometimes these small businesses can't afford these better benefit packages. Generally, health insurance is the number 2 expense for any company under payroll. So we take a look at health insurance, we try to figure this out. I work with a lot of people who have access to employer coverage. A lot of times this employer coverage is too expensive or it doesn't have great benefits. So people call me and say, hey, my premium is $1,200. It's just me and my wife. What do we do? There's got to be a better situation. So independently, when we go on the private market, we no longer have these employers. We no longer have these big groups that go negotiate and lobby with the insurance company. What we do have is access to unions, access to associations, access to organizations, where all of these people, all of these independent people who work for themselves or for small companies have banded together and said, hey, we've had enough. We can't do it anymore. We're paying a ton of money for benefits that don't work. We're paying a ton of money for health insurance, and we're still spending a ton of money to use it throughout the year. So what I would like to propose is an opportunity to explain to you the different ways of getting coverage, what that looks like for you. There are 2 things we're looking out for: upfront spending, which is your premium, and then overall spending, which is the money it costs you to use that coverage. What we're looking for is the most affordable access to coverage, the doctors and the facilities that you need, and then we want to get the most affordable benefits along with that. So we're looking at a scale. At some point, the money that you spend will equal the coverage that you get from that plan. What we want to make sure of is that we don't have the scales tipped either way. We're looking for that really, really fine spot in the middle where we balance coverage and cost. Give me a shout. I'd love to help you understand and point you in the right direction, educate you and advocate you through the rest of your career. Guru Health Consulting, we'd love to have a chance. Talk to you soon.